Hi, it's Sandra, and I want to show you some plates that I bought from Maniology, and these are actually going to be some of my giveaways. I was running low on my giveaway stuff, so I stocked up on some plates, and I still have some plates, but a lot of them, I'd say the majority of them are holiday related, so I wanted to get some ones that were just for every day. So, okay. So, oh, and by the way, if you do buy anything from Maniology, please use my discount code. It's NS10. That gets you 10% off, and it gets me a few bucks so that I can continue my giveaways. So the first Maniology plate that I have, I'll pull this in here. I'm trying to get this in here, so there we go. That's a better picture. Okay, is M672. And this is like a water garden, like water lilies and things. And it does have Chinese. I don't know what language this is, but it is the Asian kind of look. I thought this was really pretty. Love the lily pads. Love the little water and flowers. And some cranes over here. Some fish, koi fish here. And some lily pad. Looks like the flowers that come off those. So that's M672. I got this one, which is, now this is an old plate. And I had forgotten about this. And when I seen it, I'm like, oh my gosh, I gotta get this. This is a really old plate, and it has like the little mermaid on there. And I use this plate quite often. And it's Maniology and Mermaid polish. So it was one of those paired, Maniology did this with somebody. And it's like my favorite plate. I love this mermaid on here and just all the little things that they give you. And this is M370. Let's pull this up closer. M370. All right. And then I got this plate. And this is M407. And this is a comic book plate. I thought this was really cute too, with all the little, I don't know, symbols and like these right here, Poof, Wham. So if you're into comic books, this is, I think, a really cool plate. And this is M407. The next one is, I have 8 plates, by the way. Next one is Maniology M456. And I thought this was cool too because, obviously it's a pattern plate, but it has all these, like you can do this in 2 steps where you have the background and then the flower. And then this you could do, just take a part of it and put it on your nails. I really like these for toenails because my big toe has a big nail on it, and these cover the whole thing, and that's what I like about these big ones. So you can see how it's got all these little patterns in the background, so you don't have to can't think of reverse paint. And I don't know, this might be where you put this one and then you lay this on top, and this on top. So that's a really cool plate. I didn't even notice that till now. So you would do that in different colors. That's kind of cool. All right. I didn't even know they had that plate. All right. And this one is M465. Did I say? I don't know if I said this. This was M456. This one is M465. And this is an Easter plate. Hopefully I'll get this out before Easter. Somebody will win this before Easter. I think that's really cute with the bunnies and the eggs. And I got this one. I thought this was really cool. This is a swan plate. Never seen this kind of swans on a plate. I thought that was cool. That's M573. And I like this. That would be cool on a nail. And just the individual swans. Very pretty. And this one, which is M588, and this is little ducks. I thought that was so cute with the little teeny ducks, like puddle duck. And we've got, just a whole bunch of ducks, some in a little basket, You got the little frame you can put them in. Look at how adorable these are. Some nice full nail. And then here's some like where they're swimming in a pond. Very cute. This is M588. And the last one I have is M641. And this is actually fruit and flowers. So we've got a bunch of fruit here. And this is the, so you don't actually have to reverse paint. And then we've got this one too, and this one. And then we've got some apples and flowers and stuff in here. So I guess it's all apples. Nope, there's some pears here. And this one is M641. So that's it. That's my haul for last week. And it came in. So I have 8 new plates to give away at my next giveaway. And I'm actually going to pick the winner for January's giveaway this Friday. So there you have it. Thanks for watching my video.